for Governor Dennis Idahosaward for Deputy. Don't have us all in the dance. We are there. All is set. Since 1897, the matter never settled. If you are pass me go the fumble. As we be talking, don't get 11. Enter the government. Start every problem. Matter don't cover the whole day. Let's talk about this nonsense. Let's go to Okphebolo. Be man of the people. Let's go to Okphebolo. Atako Miza. Oh yeah, let's go to Okphebolo. Be man of the people. Let's go to Okphebolo. Atako Miza. Have you ever seen a good man like that? Now you be the person where those state ones. All is promise, he go deliver. Everybody call me, don't come out, go. Let's go to Okphebolo. Let's go for them.
Introduce Honorable Pachi Obayagbo.
Okphebolo and Dennis Idahosaward. Okphebolo and Dennis Idahosaward.
APC, APC, waiting with a practice for Nigeria when the 1999 Constitution recognized now democracy as defined by Abraham Lincoln for his Gettysburg Address. But today, waiting with a practice for Edo State, now technocracy. Whereas democracy na government of the people, by the people, and for the people, technocracy na government of the technocrats, by the technocrats, and for the technocrats. And where has that led us today? It has led us to a state of political seppuku. Mr. Governor, sir. Now, let me tell Edolites, if you want a political manumission from technocratic obfuscations, vote Senator Monday Okphebolo. Edolites, if you want to extricate yourself from technocratic megalomania, vote Senator Monday Okphebolo. Edolites, if you want to free yourself from the cocoon of technocratic Olympian aloofness, vote Senator Monday Okphebolo. And finally, if you want to free yourself from technocratic gobbledygooks, vote Senator Monday Okphebolo. Senator Monday Okphebolo emblematizes the political zeitgeist of the moment. A man that is as cool as cucumber. They say that he has not kissed the Ebla bee. They say he doesn't have the gift of the gab. Is it the gift of the gab and the Ebla bee that you need to perform well? What you need is a God-fearing heart. And this is a man with a God-fearing heart. APC!
Thank you. Here we go.
Dennis Idahosaward. Okphebolo and Dennis Idahosaward. Okphebolo and
Your Excellencies, I want to thank you for giving us the opportunity to address Egor youth and all the leadership of Egor local government. I know it's raining. Allow me, because I'm supposed to deliver a message, but I don't want you to be inside the rain while I'm in the... I should go on? Now, how many of you here can speak Benin? If you can speak Benin, join me to sing this song. Pome, pome, wakima pome Jesu mao, obane tiara obo, obano magia pone matao, obano magia pone matao, obano magia pone matao, osani magao. Our people, my people, my Oga, the incoming governor of Edo State, he don't tell me, say him. Now, please, let me welcome.
Okphebolo and Dennis
Egor, thank you. Even when it is raining, you decide to remain. That means you are expecting a new Edo to rise again. I will not waste your time. I will just give you my 5-point agenda for the state. And all of them, I'm going to declare state of emergency on them. I will provide you with security. You know what is happening today? Kidnapping here and there. We must stop it. It cannot happen here. Our education, you know there is no more school. Schools now have 2 teachers plus 1 headmaster. We are going to revive school back. The whole schools are leaking. Now we are going to rebuild our school back. We will bring back our red roof. We will employ over 5,000 teachers in under 100 days. Healthcare system. Do you know that we don't no longer have hospitals? The only one that was built by oshiomole consultant is there now. Is that not so? It's for now VIPs. If you don't have money, you cannot go there. We are going to provide you with hospitals, affordable hospitals in all the wards, primary health care, secondary health care. We no longer have road. Everywhere you go is flooding in this town. River Obaseki, River Aswen. That is the only thing they can provide for us. Fighting our monarch. That is the only thing they know how to do. We are going to respect our monarch. We will declare state of emergency on our road. We will build our road. Agriculture. We will introduce new system of agriculture. Mechanized agriculture. We will provide you with loan through cooperative society. Let me not take your time. Egor, yeah! Thank you.
Congressman to speak to us, a very, very pragmatic lawyer. In fact, he also represents our people at the National Assembly. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Samson Osage.
Okphebolo and Dennis Idahosaward.
Elders don't talk too many things una don't hear. Wait till I want first start tell una. We never see government where they take people land except PDP government. No be so. And we they assure una adopt people anywhere una dey. Anybody, any community where PDP government take a land, Okphebolo and Dennis Idahosaward will return your land. Do you like it? Market women and our daughters where they sell for market. That they use tickets, they harass una, even those where they sell pure water. No be so. Okphebolo government. Okphebolo government. You go get how your business go big rich before you go pay tax. Not be everybody go the pay tax where they sell pure water. I got more market that day, one small pikin where they sell pure water. That they use ticket to pursue. Do you want that? The people where it there now, they talk say they no book now, so that they speak big grammar, say they be investment banker, they be boardroom guru. Now boardroom wayo and investment banker thief, now they be. Because we don't know them, now we give them government, we think say they be better people. The one where we even know small. We give our government 2016. They can't go bring the one where we don't know at all. Una know this one? As they take black, now so their hearts take black. Una want that one? Now mother Okphebolo now una pikin. Now una brother. Now una friend. He grow up from the streets of Esa land. Since he begin work money, he dey do well for his people. Even before he became senator, he dey give his people water. Even before he became senator, he dey provide security. Even before he became senator, he run his multi-billion naira business. Not be just campaign, I know I'm rich in business. Dennis Idahosaward, he don't serve of your people well. Not be so. Make una not listen to Gagaga o. Why can they vote for APC?
Una don't see the kind boss wey bring come in. Una don't see am. Una don't like the boss. Person wey not be governor. The boss where Obaseki go put poster of their candidate. Now the boss wey Oshiomole don't buy many years ago. Many years ago, he make promises. He say he go do industrial park. Una see industrial park? He say he go do airport for a donut. Una see airport? He say he go do gele. Una see any canoe for gele. All the roads where we dey pass, now Oshiomole do am. I want beg una finally. I'm not going to talk too much. They don't already they prepare. Say because una like money, now they talk. Now they talk to say we will just give them money on that day. They will just give them money. They don't already they package the money. When they bring the money, now your money make you collect our program. APC. Okphebolo for governor.
In this election, it's much more than you can readily understand. They keep saying to our people, I went to away him yesterday. And before I got there in the night, they carry microphone. If Oshiomole come here, they are going to stone him. They are going to do this. Some people say me, say make I don't go there. Say me, I'm the true born of Oshiomole. And listen, my 5 children have a son in their blood because my late wife, the most beautiful woman in the world, is from Esan. He's from Ewohimi.
I ask just few questions. The day Aswa Igodaro went with an interpreter to Ewohimi, which road he follow? Is the road that is built? And I asked the woman who was breastfeeding a baby, I said, if this baby grow up tomorrow and migrate to Lagos, then many years later he heard that Edo people have decided in the name of fairness, justice and unity that it is time to allow Anessa man to become governor. Then that runaway baby, who is now a man called Aswe, he comes back. He cannot now talk to the mother. He carry interpreter, mama. They say now you born me. And I want to be governor. The interpreter will interpret. The worst crime, I'm repeating it, because they say they are going to court. Court of justice is for those who have the facts. And I said, the joy of an elderly woman is to see his son, a professor, a banker, poor or rich, eating the food that he cook. So, if this man is afraid to sleep in Ewohimi, he rather came to sleep at Procha Hotel because Ewohimi food no good for her, according to him. Is that the kind of person who will ask me not to go to any part of the state? Now, the choice, because they have made a lot of noise about debate, about grammar, about, I think this guy spoke about it, Godomi. We say we are ready. But that debate, because we don't want foreign consultants again. Because I now remember when I reflect, if Obaseki couldn't speak Bini properly in 2007. So this time, we will not repeat that mistake. So the debate we are challenging us to do, since he wants to claim as a ticket, is that debate must take place in Esa land, in Esa language, and the moderators must be Esa people, Esa intellectuals. That is the way to establish where he come from. We don't want Cameroonians or Niger or Benin Republic to come and masquerade as Esa people. Number two, the cap of Aswa Igodaro. He wrote A in capital letters and I in small letter. You know what it means? It means artificial intelligence. Do you want to be governed through the instrument of artificial intelligence? We will prefer, and we have settled for, native intelligence. When you were singing the national anthem, you talk about our native land. So he has the native intelligence. He has the organic intelligence. He has the natural intelligence. Nothing is artificial. So when Philip was talking about packaging, like he said, this is organic. And the deputy is organic. Woman leader says, Osadebe is not for old people, so correct. Our candidate is 53. The running mate is 44. Their own candidate is 66. The running mate is 64. If they were civil servants in the Edo State government, they would have retired. And they would not even pay their pension. So, the rain is here. But that's why I warned earlier that we should not waste too much time because we need to use this rally to deliver a message. But I will just summarize by saying, Friday we restore, based on what he has said somewhere else, which he said to you, he will restore building beautiful primary and secondary schools. He will ensure that he employs teachers. And all the money Obaseki do from World Bank in the name of Edo Best, we will invite the World Bank from Washington to come and supervise what their office is doing in Abuja We will bring that to my village. We will take that to your village. We will take that to Esaland. We will take that to Oriowo. We will take that to Ovia to come and show us where these best schools are. When you have a primary school and a secondary school, you have two teachers. One is the principal. The other one is a teacher. How can that be a best? The man has destroyed and is demonizing our youth. Just last week, I went with the candidate to Oba Market. A woman came and told us how they were arrested for 20,000 fine. They were taken to Oko prison. The woman developed a disease in the prison. She's sleeping now. And one of the women delivered twins in prison. That is Obaseki and Egor record. I don't want people to be saying Obaseki because they are going to tell you that he is not contesting. But remember, Egor is the chairman of Alagodaro, the brainboard, the thinker, the planner for Obaseki. You can't separate the right from the left. They belong to the same leprous body. So